Our life is guided by our heart. Our heart is constantly changing like a weather clock based on the samskars. And if samskars were everything, if my destiny was everything, if gods who decide my future was everything, then I would have finished my life long before. Our destiny and our freedom to choose. If my destiny is fixed, then what am I making choices for? And the choices that I am making, is it also destiny based? If it is not the case, then what is the role of relinquishing myself from desires? But what about these desires which are in my control, which is in my present environment? With these desires, I would be interfering with my destiny. I am not the only one in this equation of leading a life. I am being influenced. The decisions are made on my behalf by so many people. What I am trying to bring to your attention is this interference changes the destiny of another person. Just as genetic pattern can be changed by the atmosphere, genomes which are fixed, but epigenomes can be changed. Likewise, destiny, our faith, our samskars, they may be fixed, but they all can be changed.